Welcome to the channel M&E Tricks. My name is Ali. Today we are trying to explain a simple trick in Excel to create a summary sheet using multiple sheets. To create the summary sheet, a simple rule we have to follow. Number one, we must have the categories, the column entries mentioned in the summary sheet should be same as in the multiple sheet. For instance, in the second sheet, January, we have test 1, test 2, test 3 up to test 5 and the total marks. Similarly, in the February sheet, again we have the 5 tests and the total marks, and the March, again we have these 5 tests and the total marks. Same as the category from A to L in the second sheet as well, third sheet as well, and in the summary sheet we have mentioned. So simply we must have the column entries same and the row entries same. So now how to create the summary sheet. A summary sheet is the one which can be updated while, for example, changing the entries in any sheet. For example, if we change the entry in March, then the summary should change automatically. For this we just need a simple function that is called sum. First we have to press is equal to, then write sum, S-U-M, and double click. Now go to first sheet, test 1 score is 10, then comma, go to the third sheet, test 1 score, comma, and the final March sheet. Then now bracket close. It should be 27. How? Because in the first test of March, candidate A has taken 10 marks, in February 8 marks, 18, and in March 9 marks. 18 plus 9 is 27. It should be 27. Now what we have to do is just click here. When this plus sign appears, just drag in the row wise and then the column wise. Okay, so this is now updated for the all test for all the sheets and the total marks. Now we drag to down. So this way the whole summary sheet has been created. Now let's see that if we change a single entry in the connecting sheet, how this summary sheet is changing. For example, let's take this example, 27. In the first entry there is 10. Let's suppose I'm changing it 10 to 12. Now let's check the summary sheet. Here 31.5. Okay, so similarly if we change in the February the total marks, 36, instead of 36 I'm writing here 40. Click 40. Now check. It's 113. Before it was 105. When I change here 40, just write 40, then it converts to 109. So this is the simple trick for creating a summary sheet. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon